Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up Dodo Webview on iOS. So the first thing that you need to do is to open the App Store on your device. After that, you need to search for Dodo Webview on the App Store. After you do that, you may not find Dodo Webview. If you find it, you can just click on Get right here and install it. But you may not find it actually. So if you do not find it, you need to actually change the country or region because it's not there in all the regions. So you need to go back from here to the home page of the App Store and you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. After that, you need to click on your profile again, and now from here you need to actually change the country or region to a supported country. So you can change it to Vietnam, Germany, US, or any other supported country. As you see right here, you can choose your country. After that, make sure that you follow the prompts and change the country right here. Now, if you have changed your country or region correctly, you can actually go back and try to search for Dodo Webview. After you do that, try to install it and see if that works with you. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.